Good morning, everyone. My husband and I decided today that we are going to unplug the boys and ourselves from the electronics. They don't use it a lot, but we do like to have them unplug every so often. And since the summer's hit, we've been kind of busy, and we haven't incorporated unplugging as much as what we normally do through the other parts of the year. So today we are going to unplug, and they've got plenty to do to catch up on and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. And at the end of the day, I can't wait to hear what the boys have to say about unplugging, since it's been about 3 months since we have done this. So stay tuned. Hey Davis, what are you getting ready to do? This is your what? Your morning chore, isn't it?
Letting the chickens out.
Letting the chickens out. The girls are always happy to see Davis. Always. Today, what's going on today? What did we decide today was a good day for?
No games.
To unplug? What are your plans? What are your plans?
Have fun.
Activities? Yeah. Maybe you can talk Daddy into going out for another bike ride.
He's in the
I didn't get my morning person. Wasn't that nice of Daddy to bring you the biscuit? Huh? He brought it back from his bike ride. He didn't bring himself one. Just you and Davis.
Protein.
Mommy, you got a Big Mac.
I got nothing.
She got a big mouth.
Doesn't count.
Oh,
he
we got
smiled.
to crack a smile.
I didn't do it much.
Okay, let's see your airplane tricks. Oh.
There's a
Biking?
guy in it as well.
Oh, yes. So this is your history, right? Story of the world. Okay.
Daddy. Daddy. Mommy. Daddy, what's your weight?
175.
Okay, write it down. You write it down.
This weight is high. When you say that means how heavy you are.
I know. I know what it is. I'm familiar with this concept.
Feel to have a patient who doesn't cooperate. It's terrible, isn't it?
1, 2, 3. It's your birthday. Everyone gives you $1. Happy birthday. Let me have $1. Thank you. Thank you. 6. And what? $3. 5. You're over here.
Daddy's probably gonna land on it.
You own that one. Don't get excited.
Actually, can I move a little?
No.
Oh!
1, 2. Great.
I have feeling you have to
1,
pay me.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why? Because they're all together.
Because you own both of them. That's it?
Thank you.
Okay. My go? No.
Use both hands and twist really hard and twist it off. You might have to pull it down a little bit. Okay.
You gotta watch the snakes, right, David?
Whew, that's a big one.
Oh, no.
All right, show me what you got.
This one? No.
You're a good worker.
It's stuck.
Break it. Okay.
It's getting heavy.
Your bag is.
Did you carry a storage bin? And
See how pretty that corn is. Beautiful. You gonna eat it for supper tonight?
I'm itchy all over it.
You're itchy all over from the corn? Yeah, it'll do that to you.
Where did I get this white bounce? Where did I get the bounce?
Mm,
It goes in the bowl?
yes. You're good little shuckers. Oh, I see that.
Davis.
Oh, that's cool looking.
Look at that, Luke.
You have a bug.
Luke, look at my
snap
hand.
a picture. What is that bug?
He was in the corn.
Snap a picture.
Yep, leave the fuzzies out of the bowl.
Yeah, don't put the silk in there.
Oh, that looks like a good old chunk of corn.
This one I'm peeling?
Yep.
We're making a cave drawing to go with our nomad lessons. So flatten it out, flatten your paint. Take your,
I'll need
use
the
that.
exact dough
So
with
take
that.
your black paint and we're gonna draw a picture of an animal. Now we're gonna make it to where we can see some of its features really well, okay? You can also draw stick figures as your people, okay? Yeah?
I'm just start painting.
Make sure you can see the animal's antlers or their tusks or things like that.
This one says that. See here, its body. Here's its other eye. And I use the exacto.
Yeah?
And then that guy's stabbing him with a spear.
Look, to me, it reminds me of like the red clay mud we have here. To just kind of make it stand out some. See? You gonna put any more of the red around you?
What's this for?
Nothing, it was just out of the bag. You want to put any more red around it?
What's this? That's did that.
Okay, that's good. Nobody did anything to her stuff.
No, this. What is that? Huh? What?
What is this?
I see that ant. It's
don't know.
coming for
Does
him.
it need new dirt?
Maybe.
Like get rid of this dirt or
It's coming for you.
what are you doing?
Watching you.
Oh!
I don't know. Davis picked that out about 3 years ago. I don't
So do
know.
I need to get new dirt or no?
Nah, I just use that dirt. It's good. It's lived without water and love.
Do I need to tickle its roots?
Tickle its roots. You're doing what?
Looking for bad things.
What kind of bad things?
White vans, people, and animals.
Yeah.
Keep pedaling. Faster. Don't put your feet down. I know, but don't put your feet down.
Hey, Luke, he has to concentrate.
Yeah, he's got a pedal. Look at that.
Woo! Sounds like someone used dynamite to blow something up.
So, we survived being unplugged, right? Yeah? Lukey, what did you think about being unplugged? What did you think about it?
got bored.
You got bored, but we had all kinds of fun,
I
right?
had fun doing the corn.
You had fun doing the corn. You like working.
Yes.
Well, that's always a good thing. What did you enjoy, Luke? How about you came up with the idea to go ride your bicycle, right?
Yeah.
Tell us how good you did on that.
Good.
Good? So when are we going to unplug again?
Next Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
Through the
No.
week? We can't through the week. We got school. Some of our school's online.
Oh.
We can unplug on Saturday.
Okay.
Ready to unplug again soon?
No,
So,
I don't wanna
since we've
unplug
unplugged, they also have been limited to their gaming once we've come back. So we decided that for our gaming time, we would cut it to an hour a day. It was 2 hours a day, and some days it was basically we didn't keep track of time. So it's time to start keeping track again because someone is a little addicted to gaming. And someone eats and sleeps and dreams about Minecraft, although he doesn't game it a whole lot. He still talks about it nonstop. So we're hoping that he's guilty of watching the videos on his YouTube Kids, and this one does the gaming. So we're hoping that'll change some things because it was kind of getting out of hand. So it was time to tighten it up a little bit.
I want to do Minecraft videos. How does one grow up? Sister, why is it not on YouTube Kids? That's my